Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to guess the emoji? Today our video topic is find out the odd emoji anime edition part 2. Before start the quiz, make sure to read the rules of the quiz game. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Lots of emojis. Which one is odd? Try to find it out. Well then, this emoji is odd here. Watch the emojis carefully and find out the different emoji. Time's up, this emoji is odd. There is the emoji that's not like the others, can I find it? If you got the odd emoji among them, make sure to like this video. Well then, you got the odd emoji. You are doing great so far. Can you find the one emoji that's different in this level? Great job, you found out the odd. Only the most observant people will be able to detect the odd emoji among them. If you got the odd, subscribe our channel. Which emoji is different from others? Spot the odd or not? Time's up, this emoji is odd. How good are your eyes to detect the odd here? Well then, you found it. Lots of emojis, one of them is odd. Can you find it? Very easy, this emoji is odd. One of them is not an elephant. Can you find it? Which one is odd? Odd one is right here. There is an emoji that does not fit in this level. Can you find it? Which one is odd? Well then, you got the odd emoji. Watch sincerely and find out the crocodile. Great job, this emoji is odd. Very easy, try to find the odd and comment down your answer. Well then, this emoji is odd among them. Let's see how good are your eyes. Can you find the one emoji that's out of place? Well then, odd one is standing right there. Try to find the one emoji that does not belong here. Well then, you found it. Lots of emojis, which one is odd? Can you find it? You played well, this emoji is odd. Test your power of observation by finding out the odd emoji among them. Well then, odd emoji is right here. Can you find the one emoji that's totally different? Good job, you found out that. Very easy, look carefully and find out that. Time's up, this emoji is odd. One cat is different here. Can I find out which cat is odd? Thumbs up, this one is odd. How good are you asked to detect the odd emoji among them? Well done, odd emoji is right here. Can you see which emoji is odd? You was right, this emoji is odd here. Which emoji is different from others is for the odd one out. Well then, you found out the odd emoji. You are doing well. Spot the odd emoji and comment down how many you got right. Yes, the odd emoji is right here. There is a one emoji that's not like others. Can you find it? Perfect, this emoji is odd. Last level, try to find out the odd emoji and comment down below how many quiz you was right, how many points you got. Thumbs up, odd emoji is right here. You played really well. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more quizzes.